Reviewing this TREXEEN DeWalt compatible mini chainsaw, and it's already worked well for me. Battery's not included, but I already cut off this 4x4 post here, and it made a very nice cut. And now I have to take out this old shrub here that's causing problems in the yard here. So I'm going to go ahead and do some cutting on this. I'll cut a piece off and just show you how well it cuts. Yep, cuts great.
All right, so this is hooked up to a 60 volt DeWalt battery. It works. That's it right there. I'm just going to cut this branch right here. Got it? That's it right there. So if this is what you need it for, just cutting little branches and stuff like that, pretty handy little tool.
Ready? Go.